Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can relight images using Qwen Image with LoRa. Okay, first thing first, we have to download and install ComfyUI. You can get the installation process link in the description. Okay, after that, open the ComfyUI, go template, go right here. For this model and this workflow, you must download all of those files. Click here, copy link, or you can download it here. Download all files one by one. I already download all of these files. Okay. After downloading those files, let's copy it one by one. Okay, let's go here to ComfyUI. Make it right here. Search for modulus. Where is modulus? This one. Okay, after that, let's put one by one. Okay, the first one, Qwen Image VIE. Where is? Want to put in the VIE. Cut. Let's search for VAE. Paste right here. Second one, text encoder, Qwen 2.5. 2.5, scale it. Well, text encoder. Third file, diffusion model, Qwen Image Edit. Qwen Image Edit. 19 gigabytes. Why is 19 gigabytes? This one. Got model diffusion. Diffusion models. It's right here. LoRa. Okay, this file Qwen Image like me pro steps. 800 gigabytes. This one. Cut. Add right here. Here is LoRa. Where is the LoRa? Okay, this one. Okay, find one in LoRa's. Okay, Qwen Image. Okay, right. Rewrite. Cut. And let's put it here. And LoRa. No. We are done from downloading and putting all of those files in those places. Okay. Reload the page and let's see. Okay. VIE. Remote. So means this. Let's start. Okay, fine. Let's return here to download this. Copy this file to the ComfyUI. Modulus and put it here in the VIE. Okay, fine. I think it's good. Let's see. Now, and let's upload image and rewrite it. For example, let's search for any image. For example, the link. Going. Let's search for anyone. Let's choose, for example, this one. Okay, save this image as JPEG. Turn right here and let's upload our file and let's see what's happening here. After that, so this prompt is take between 2 and 3 minutes to relight this image, this first image, and this is the output. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial on test another model.